Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's Stacy here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a hair mask using oats. So yeah, if that's something you're interested in, make sure you keep watching the video till the end. So oats are very good for the hair. They promote hair growth, softens, moisturizes, as well as combats frizz. So yeah, I'll go ahead and pour half a cup of oats into a pan, and then I'll proceed to add in 4 cups of water into the oats. You want to make sure that your water is way more than your oats, like way more than it, because I realize that this makes it easier and your work less messy. In fact, little or no mess. But when you make it super thick, it's going to be an issue. So you're going to see a little bit later why I said this is going to be less messy. So I'll go ahead and bring it to a boil. As you can see, it's boiling. I went ahead and added some leftover oats from breakfast that wasn't consumed. So yeah, nothing goes to waste. That's why it looks a little bit more than what I started with. So yeah, I'll just continue to boil it until it's ready, really tender. So when you see the foam coming up, it means it's ready. So yeah, I'll just keep stirring until I have the desired texture that I'm looking for. I really want it to be soft. So when it's ready, I'll just go ahead and let it cool down before I proceed to the next step. Next, I'm going to be pouring the cooked oats into a blender cup, because I'm going to be blending this up. And the reason why you want to let it cool is because you cannot pour hot stuff in this stuff and blend. That might cause an explosion. So you want to be patient and wait for your oats to cool down before you proceed to blending them. So I'll just go ahead and blend until I get the paste as smooth as possible, so that I can make the most out of it. So that's what I'm doing, just blending. And when I'm done, I'll just go ahead and take it off, and then I'm going to strain the mass. So now I'm going to use a muslin cloth. This is my favorite because it kind of makes everything easy. So I'll just go ahead and pour the mass or the paste into the muslin cloth. I went ahead and also blended the leftover. Remember, I left some. So I'll just go ahead and blend that as well, and then I'll proceed to pouring it again into the muslin cloth. That way I don't have to maybe squeeze out the first one and then go wash the cloth. And so I'm glad that all could enter into this container. So I'll just pour all at once before I'll proceed to squeezing out the paste. And I'll just go ahead and begin to squeeze out the paste into my cup. As you can see, this is the reason why I was saying that you need to put enough water, because if it was too thick, it was going to be so difficult, like for the paste to come out. And you also had to let it cool a bit so that you can use your hands to squeeze. And if it was too hot as well, it would have been so hard. So you see that this is done with less mess, and these are the chaffs that are left. So you don't want this in your hair. This is the reason why you have to use a muslin cloth, a cheesecloth, or whatever strainer you have to make sure you get off those particles. So this is the final mask. It looks super creamy and very nice. I love the texture. I'll go ahead and pour it into my applicator bottle. I love to use my applicator bottle for easy application. So that's what I'm just doing, and I'll do that and move it aside. So this is me just pouring the mask on my hand, just to show you how silky and how easily it melts into the skin. And so I went ahead again and poured the mask into a bowl. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks, and you can also go ahead and add some other things into this mask if you like. So I went ahead and added some olive oil and of course extra virgin olive oil and extra virgin coconut oil into the mask. So you can as well add other stuffs into the mask if you wish. So yeah, that's what I did, and yeah, the mask is super creamy, super nice. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I apply this mask on my hair. You want to make sure you apply this mask on clean hair. So I washed my hair the night before, so yeah, that's why it's dry, and now I go ahead and apply the mask. So you want to apply to your scalp and to your hair. I know some people say do not apply mask on your scalp, but like, look how it just blends in. Like, oat is very good for the skin, so I believe it's very good for your scalp as well. So go ahead and apply it to your scalp and then just massage it in. So I really went ahead and applied a lot more of the mask on my hair. Anyway, there was enough until there was leftover, so no worries. I just enjoyed how silky it made my hair feel, just soft, and my hair was easy to detangle. So this is very nice to detangle your hair. It's a very rich deep conditioner that helps you to detangle your hair as well. It left my hair feeling very soft, and my curls were popping. I could see curls popping. So yeah, I really do love this mask. So just look at the curls, and my hair feels so soft. So when I was done with this section, I went ahead and just twisted it up and then proceeded to apply this mask on the other section of my hair. So yeah, this mask is really fun to work with, and I just enjoyed applying it to my hair and scalp as well. Like I said, you want to apply to your scalp and just massage it in. I just kept applying the mask until my entire head was covered. So you want to cover your entire hair. Every strand should be covered with a mask, so you don't want to leave any strand stranded. Okay, so yeah, so this mask actually came out about 700 milliliters, and that's a lot. So I really used a lot on my hair, and there was still some left over. So you see, you don't need a lot of oats in order to make this mask. I just used half a cup, and the one I added from the leftover breakfast was about a cup of cooked oats. So yeah, that gave me 700 milliliters. That's a lot. So the leftover, I just went ahead and put it in a container and kept it in the freezer because you don't want it to go bad. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and twist the other section of my hair, and then I'll proceed to cover it with a plastic bag, like a deep condition, and then use my steaming cap to steam my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.